I'm Dr. Kalyani, Senior Consultant, Cataract, Cornea and Refractive Services at LB Nagar Branch, Center for Sight. Have you ever seen anyone having red eyes or bloodshot eyes and wondered what it is? It is nothing but a small subconjunctival hemorrhage. What is subconjunctival hemorrhage? Subconjunctival hemorrhages occur due to rupture of blood vessels in the white part of the cornea called conjunctiva. Why does it happen? The reason could be like idiopathic. Without any reason also it can happen in many individuals, and also vigorous mechanical eye rubbing also can cause subconjunctival hemorrhages. Other causes are like any patients having bleeding disorders, and it can happen frequently in old age because the blood vessels themselves are fragile, and also in hypertensive patients and diabetic patients also it's quite common. And also when a patient is on blood thinners also subconjunctival hemorrhages do happen. And apart from this, like when a patient is like putting lots of strain on the body, also like coughing, and when a patient is having excess vomitings, constipation, in heavy weight lifting, in such patients also subconjunctival hemorrhages are common. So how do we treat them? The treatment is simple, just like it's usually a self-resolving condition which resolves over a period of 10 days to 2 weeks, but patients can be given lubricant eye drops and also vitamin C tablets so that the resolution can be slightly faster and patient feels comfortable. When you're having frequent subconjunctival hemorrhages, you have to visit your ophthalmologist to rule out any other causes which are causing frequent subconjunctival hemorrhages. Whenever you're having red eye, do not panic, visit your ophthalmologist. They will take proper care of your eyes, and never worry about the bloodshot eyes. They appear like it is a serious condition, but in short it resolves on its own and it is not something dangerous. But if you're experiencing regular repeated subconjunctival hemorrhages, red eye which is very regular, then we have to investigate why it is happening.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.